welcome back to Nana Debbie's Kitchen. Tonight we're going to fix some tilapia. I've had the tilapia in a bowl of cold water with like 3 squirts of lemon juice and some sea salt. I've had it soaking for probably 30 minutes. Now I have my bowl of cornmeal. I've put about 3 tablespoons of seasoned salt in this, and all I'm going to do is kind of pepper this fish a little bit. I've got a 1/3 cup flour. I'm going to mix that in with the cornmeal. I find it kind of helps the coating to the breading to stick a little bit better. And then I'm going to dip the fish. I've got the oil heated to a good frying temp is 350. This is a little bit hotter than that, but this fish is going to cool it off fast. So that's the first piece in. And I'm only going to fry these a couple at a time. And see, I just put the down in the cornmeal flour mixture. Lay it into the pan easy, don't get your fingers burnt. Alright, so you put it in the pan, leave it alone and let it fry a little bit. When you see it start to look golden brown around the edges, you'll be able to tell it's pretty close to time to flip it over. Now when you turn this fish, if you're not careful, it's just really tender fish, it will break in half on you. It's almost ready to turn already. Doesn't take long to cook this up. Smells good in here. Okay, I think these are ready to turn over. So, nice and golden brown. Looking good. Oops, lost part of that one. That's okay, that happens. No big deal. It's real cooking, so real things happen. All right, we're going to put in 2 more. That didn't take long, did it? All right, we're going to check these. They look good. Nice and golden brown. Crispy. Okay, we're all done, and I'm going to take just a little bit of this. It's hot. It is nice and crispy, got a nice crisp coating on it. It's good. Get a crunch when you bite it. The inside is nice and flaky. It's really good, you guys. I appreciate you joining me, and come back and we'll cook something else together. Thank you.